Hello again from AI Leap. This video is meant for CEOs of companies who understand the need for AI adoption to remain competitive, but who are still not sure how to move forward. We hear you. AI promises transformation, but the landscape is complex. Boards demand a strategy, and the pressure is huge. Our advice is to avoid rushed technology-first AI adoption, which often leads to costly missteps and limited returns. The real risk isn't lagging, but rushing AI without a clear, business-centric plan, leading to wasted investment and stalled projects. Your goal is to solve tangible business problems, unlock new revenue, and create sustainable value aligned with your corporate strategy. So here is a framework to guide you through that journey and help you build a realistic, actionable AI roadmap. Your first step is to anchor to business value and not technology. As a matter of fact, we've seen many organizations prioritize AI technology over business problems. So resist chasing AI fads, such as LLMs or generative AI, without clear, tangible value, and start by asking critical business questions around operational efficiencies, customer experience, data insights, and decision-making. Ask the following questions. Where can AI automate tasks, reduce errors, optimize resources, and streamline workflows for cost savings and improved speed? How can we personalize interactions for our customers, offer faster support, tailor recommendations, and predict their needs to boost their satisfaction and loyalty? Where can we use AI to uncover patterns, forecast trends, identify anomalies, and generate actionable intelligence from data for better decisions? How can we augment human intelligence, provide real-time information, simulate scenarios, and clarify complex data to empower our leaders and employees? As a CEO, you need to actively participate in this discovery work. Challenge your teams to define precise business problems first, and then explore AI solutions. Insist on very clear and quantifiable success metrics that are tied to business outcomes. After defining AI's business value, conduct an audit of your organizational assets and capabilities. This identifies the strengths to leverage and the gaps to address, which should inform your AI roadmap. Key areas to focus on are data readiness, your organization's talent, infrastructure, and the organizational AI literacy. If you're focusing on data readiness, assess data quantity, quality, and accessibility. Ensure that you have clean data with strong governance and adequate metadata. The second area to focus on is talent. You need to map internal expertise around data science and ML engineering, for example, and identify any skill gaps. If you have gaps, identify how to fill them, whether via training, hiring, or through partnerships. The third area to focus on is to look into infrastructure. Evaluate your tech stack, your compute power, your storage, your development environments. You should also consider data pipelines, MLOps, and system integration. And last, assess your organizational AI literacy. What's the broader understanding of AI's potential, its limitations and ethics among the leadership and your teams for better adoption and collaboration? Once this assessment is completed, use it to guide your resource allocation and your strategic partnerships. After identifying AI use cases and assessing capabilities, prioritization is crucial. This is where a clear framework ensures effective resource allocation, maximizes ROI, and builds momentum. You should avoid diluting effort by pursuing too many initiatives. So you can use the value versus feasibility matrix, which is a very powerful tool. Plot each AI initiative based on its business value and its implementation feasibility. The end result is to categorize projects into 4 quadrants. The quick wins. These are initiatives with immediate feedback and low effort. Pursuing these initiatives builds momentum and secures buy-in. Examples include internal search, basic chatbots, and data entry automation agents. Then you have the strategic initiatives, which will have significant long-term impact and require substantial investment. These initiatives are critical for competitive advantage, and they need executive sponsorship. Examples include predictive market analytics, supply chain optimization, and custom LLMs. Then you have the passion projects. These are easy or exciting for technical teams. They have limited strategic return and can be a distraction. Examples are niche AI art, some over-engineered internal tools, or something I come across frequently, namely solving simple problems with complex AI. Finally, you have the avoid at all costs quadrant. This is where the initiatives with no clear business case and are difficult to execute initiatives would fall. These types of initiatives drain resources and should be deprioritized immediately as they lead to financial loss. Examples of such initiatives include ill-defined projects, AI for non-AI problems, and initiatives lacking data readiness. Once the AI initiatives have been prioritized, you need to decide how to move forward. The decision to build, buy, or partner for AI solutions is a pivotal strategic choice, which will impact your company's budget, your timeline, your internal capabilities, and your long-term competitive advantage. Choose build if you'd like to develop AI solutions that have high security and privacy requirements. This is where you can control access to your data. So this option is suitable or best for use cases where data protection is critical, where you are developing capabilities that are core differentiators, and for solutions that require deep integration with existing complex systems. Choose the buy option if you're going after non-differentiating functions that perhaps require rapid deployment and that have existing mature solutions. And choose the partner options where you need to bridge some gaps, or you need to accelerate your development, or you need access to specialized expertise. This is where you can partner with AI consultants or with research or university partners. The pros of this option is that it gives you access to specialized AI talent and advanced technologies. And it reduces your internal resource strain and offers accelerated innovation. Also, it may offer shared financial risk and investment, and it creates the potential for new market opportunities. Now remember that the successful AI integration is a dynamic, iterative process. Your AI roadmap should be a living document that gets refined by new insights and by new business needs. AI implementation is a marathon of continuous adoption and learning, so embrace iteration and let your roadmap evolve. Treat early AI projects as learning labs, where your teams get an opportunity to gain hands-on experience, to understand implementation nuances and data needs, which are invaluable for scaling AI efforts. Then shift from reactive problem solving to proactive AI-driven innovation. To do so, you'll need to foster an AI-first mindset across all leadership to champion new possibilities. There you have it, the CEO's framework for successful and sustainable AI adoption. See you in our next video.